Starting a bakery that specializes in authentic French macarons with delicious yet unexpected flavors. Well, there's no shortcuts for that. Growing a social following and a customer base for all those macarons? That part we can help with. No, really. Try Planoly, our visual planner, practically BFFs with Instagram and Pinterest. Simplifies social marketing for your business. Plan out your feed with intuitive drag-and-drop tools. And use Quick Schedule and Auto Posts to reach your followers when they're online, even if you're not. Our analytics tools are like your cheat sheet, helping you learn more about your followers, what kind of content they like, and when you should be posting, so you and your growing team can figure out what's working and stop wasting time on the stuff that isn't. We'll even help you drive traffic, host events, and turn your followers into buyers with Linkit. So yeah, running a business, that can be complicated. But growing your business and getting back to the rest of your life, Planoly makes that a whole lot easier.